Whoa! Merry Christmas, not pro homies. No, we are not in Florida. It is June 9th. But by the time you guys see this video, it will be Christmas. So today on Weird Campfire Cooking, we are making a Christmas dinner on a campfire, complete with turkey, stuffing, potatoes, and smoke in my eye. So we wanted to do this one for a little while. I think the idea of Christmas on a campfire is pretty funny. The biggest question we had was, how could we actually cook a turkey? Would we like set up a deep fryer situation? Would we bake it? We didn't want to push things too far, so we got something a little special here for you. This is what I call the not pro home ground whole turkey. So if you want to see how we made this, just click on the little link up here. Essentially, this is just ground turkey flattened with onion and bacon put into it, and then another flattened strip of ground turkey on top. It's kind of like a giant ground turkey burger. And I can't think of a better way, at least at this stage in the show, to do Christmas on a campfire. All right, so we got a few different things we're gonna do here. We got some stove top, our good old friend stove top. We haven't made this on the show before, but we have made it on the campfire. It's delicious. And we're doing a baked potato. First thing we should do is get this baked potato in.
Yeah.
Put it right in there. My goal today is not to burn anything. All right, so we gotta get this bad boy on the grill. I broke one of the rules today. We are allowed to use this. Because the spork kept breaking, I'm allowed to use a spoon. But other than that, it's as minimal as it gets. So we got the grill here. It's a little dirty, but I don't really care. Nice coalage going on today. Now we're gonna try to get this thing on there in one piece.
Flops it off like
See what happens.
just upside down.
I was thinking maybe I'll just spray this with some ham too.
Yeah, good idea.
Gross.
Yeah.
I really don't like ham, but it's the only option. All right, man, we're doing it.
Go for it. Oh no!
Hey, it worked.
It lived! It lived! Whoa! Yeah, in that little chunk, we're good.
All right. So we're gonna grill it, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. I have here a little handmade baking sheet.
Oh, nice. You just made that ahead of time?
Yeah, of course.
I didn't even see that, dude. I thought you pulled it out just like that. You were like, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
I'm just so good at these now that I can just
conjure.
They're just boop.
Now the other thing I'm gonna do here, I got some bacon. There's plenty of bacon in that turkey, but I'm actually gonna put some in the stuffing. So before I cook the stuffing, I'm just gonna cook some bacon right here. Oh. It's funny, this is our Christmas episode, and it's like the hottest day of the year, the second hottest day of the year right now.
Yeah, hey future me, enjoying winter?
Merry Christmas.
Are you enjoying that?
All right, let's try to flip this beast. Whoa!
That looks excellent.
Dude, we might not even need to put it in the oven tray. It might be friggin'... Oh no!
Oh no! Don't worry, dude. You can
no,
play it back in there, bro.
It's falling apart, man. I can't. I gotta just turn it.
Okay, that's fine. We'll just let it cook as it is.
All right, the stove top is ready.
Dude, this is gonna be a good stovetop. I've never seen it made with bacon and fat.
It's gonna be so good.
I've never seen that.
We do here on Not Pro Home. We're friggin' innovators. Soon everyone's gonna be cooking stovetop on a campfire and making videos about it. Dude, stovetop croutons would be good.
Ready like ready.
I don't know how much to put in there.
Eyeball it.
Cover it. It looks so good. We had to get the fire re-going again because it pretty much went out in here.
Whoa.
And I'm gonna tin foil it. High enough. Stovetop is ready. Let's give it a shot. Let's try it. There's some heat going there now. Look at that. It's so good. It's so freaking good, man. It's nice and friggin' moist. Little hint of bacon. Alright, brick boys, here it is.
Just reaches in and pulls it out. Dude, I think we underestimate the power of that potato cooking in there.
I hope so. I hope it's as cooked as there is how much smoke going into my eyes. Whoa!
Oh no!
Dude. It's a baked potato, I can't believe it. Look at that meat daddy. I hope it's cooked.
Wow.
Things that look slightly pink are just bacon.
There it is.
Christmas turkey. Oh yeah. Got some nice friggin' char on it. Take a look at that.
Wow.
The edge here tastes really good.
The flamed edge.
Well, I'm about as full as I usually am on Christmas, so I think it was a success today. Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Christmas dinner on a campfire. It worked out pretty well.
Yeah, I really did.
You know, at first I was like, well, we should probably try to do a big turkey. And I was like, you know what, man? Turkey burgers, like a giant turkey burger, seems pretty appropriate for cooking on a campfire. If you have the ability to do this at Christmas, I highly recommend that you give it a shot. It was awesome. Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out this video today. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Not Pro Home for more weird campfire cookings, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. So for everybody here at Not Pro Home, thanks again. Merry friggin' Christmas, everybody, and spend some time with your family and be happy and joyous and praise the Lord Jesus on his birthday. Peace.